So I heard there's a bear in my backyard, so I came out here, and yep, there's a bear in my backyard called a honey bear right here, and we're gonna have to take him out because he's honey bear. Nobody knows how they breathe, but they just keep popping up, especially in your Kroger public stores honey section. So here is the bear. So I'm not 100% happy about this shot just because it kind of, went onto the side a little bit, as you can see. But I still counted it headshot because when I tilted, water's coming out. So yeah.